How to add stanstore checkout order upsell. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to stand.store and then from in there, proceed to click on the sign up option. Now with this, you can create a store with Stan or you can also click on continue. Now if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option that we can see in the dashboard. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me show you in here my dashboard. Here is my actual homepage. Now let's head over and add a checkout order upsell. Now make sure that you're on an upgraded plan and navigate to your store tab. Once you're in here, just head over and edit the product that you wish to add the upsell. For example, let's choose in here this. Now once you have clicked on the product, head over to the actual options right here. In here you can find order bump. So in there, make sure that you're on the actual upgraded plan. So the one-time offer for your checkout flow is available. So click on this upgrade now. You can see that you can choose from Creator Plan or Creator Pro Plan. So just choose right here which one you want. We also have in here annual plans that can help save you around a certain percentage per year. So just choose which plan you wish to use. And after that, head over and choose that. Click on upgrade and it should be added into this particular product. With this, you should be able to have a one-time offer in order to actually get people or customers to buy more from you. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, just like and subscribe this video and also comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.